Hello coffee lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of creamy, frothy goodness with the Nestle Nespresso Aeroccino3 3594 Black Milk Frother, a versatile kitchen companion that transforms your coffee experience at home. This multi-purpose frother offers 3 delightful styles of preparation: hot milk foam, hot milk, or cold froth, allowing you to craft your favorite coffee beverage recipes with ease. Designed for simplicity, the Aeroccino3 is non-stick and easy to clean, ensuring hassle-free maintenance after each use. Plus, it features a convenient automatic shut-off, adding a layer of safety and peace of mind to your frothing adventures. With its classic black finish, this frother pays homage to the retro Nespresso Aeroccino's blending style with functionality. Whether you're a latte lover or a cappuccino connoisseur, the Nespresso Aeroccino3 is your ticket to cafe-quality beverages right in the comfort of your own home. So, get ready to elevate your coffee game and indulge in the perfect froth every time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.